Small startup company only has a certain amount of budget, certain amount of lead time before they need to develop the product and produce it and get it out into the world to make money to feed their business. What you don't want to have is, a 30 or 80 person team that is dedicated to supply chain, because there are certain phases of the development where you need the supply chain, and then those folks really don't need to be full-time on the project. You can augment that with Fictiv and use Fictiv as a supply chain when you need it, and place all the funding on the actual development of the product. So that's first and foremost. If you're a larger company, more established, we have a lot of customers like that. It's easier to utilize us as a very quick means of making progress, whereas in a lot of time the corporations are fairly bureaucratic and slow. So we offer a very quick solution. We can be as present or as obscure as the company determines at whatever point in time. And so what we offer to our brand and what we stand behind is very high quality part fulfillment to your specifications within the lead time we've committed to. And so we can offer that as any part or whole of any company's needs.